Hello po, good morning! Maulang umaga po sa inyo. Look! Maulan po dito. Grabe. Tingnan niyo po yung downspout ng bahay. Grabe ang ulan. Kagabi pa ito. Ayan, nakikita niyo po ba? Yan. Nakikita niyo yung rain. This is our house. This lot is more than 300 square meters. And like 307, something like that. And our house is 170 square meters up and down. Yeah. So that's the ceiling. I'll show you the whole house pag ano yun? May araw, may sun. Pero ito po ang village namin, is very peaceful village. Lahat po ang mga nandito ay nagtrabaho sa St. Louis noon. But most of them are not working in St. Louis or at St. Louis anymore. Instead, they are connected to different agencies, some companies, I would say. And then some are they have embarked on business, some are retired and all, but we are all Louisians here. So the Louisian value is how do you call that? It's I can't say it. What word will I say with that? Louisian values, they are at the forefront. You know what I mean? Or yeah, is that the right term? Or Louisian values are always there in front of us. We are carrying out the Louisian values all the time because we are Louisians. And it's a very peaceful community. There is a chapel at the front, and yeah, that's where we attend our mass celebrations, or where we do our mass celebrations every other Saturdays, every other 2-week Saturdays. What am I saying? Every after 2 Saturdays. That's it. I think that's better. Yeah, so with me is my baby laptop because my babies are not with me anymore. Yeah, but I mean, they are not with me because my daughter is already in Canada, and to be I won't say it yet. And my son is also doing his own business. It's not business like business of trade and no. He's doing something for his future. Okay. And me and the dad is here with my mom, of course. Alright, so what shall we do on this rainy day? We are not lighted, but we can turn on the light. Let's turn on the light. There you go. We have here chandelier. So this is the upper deck, or the second floor. I have my sampayan here. I made my sampayan because it's raining. And some boxes here, like a lot of hangers. So we have a mini sala here upstairs. Yeah. Let me just throw you around them. But I can't because I'm this is the room of my son. This is the master's bedroom actually, but I do not sleep there. So it's just my husband sleeping. Why? Because he opens all the windows in the evening, and I don't like that. Because some insects might get in. They will bite you, and I have a problem with allergy. So I don't like to be rushed to the hospital. You know what I mean? Knock on wood. Knock. That's why I stay in my son's room, and this is my daughter's room where my mom stays. We only have 3 rooms, 170 square meters, house. We only have 3 rooms, but they are big ones. And of course, our terrace there. Okay. It's a simple planning, but it's a spacious and it's a spacious. Now I'm going down the stairs. Okay, let's turn off the light because we don't need that anyway. I'm going down. Can you hear the sound of the rain? Yeah, so here, yeah, this one. So we have 4 vehicles. One is the motor of my son over there. And then that's my mom's car. This is Maureen's car. And that is for the water station's car. Okay. That's it. And this is our sala. Here. We have one here. We have one there. And that's the dining room. So, this is the house. The door is locked yet. So. What shall we do? What shall we do before eating? Let's do some jumping jacks, okay? Jumping jacks. My tea is a white tea. It's Earl Grey. I made an Earl Grey with Beer Brand. No sugar yet because all the breads here has got sugar. So yeah, this will be our breakfast. We put that in a saucer, microwave it. I'm cooking, guys, already. Alright. I'm hungry. Put it here. This is potato bread. Potato bread. Wait, what happened? Oh. Liquid shot. Lambot niya. Cheers. With a potato bread. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy your day. Rain or shine. Bye.